Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Tuesday, January 13, 2009. Geoff Grant, co-founder of collapsed hedge fund Peloton Partners, has launched another fund, Grant Capital Partners, with investors backing. According to the Financial Times, the new fund has secured a commitment of about $100 million from French bank Société Générale, showing investors can give managers a second chance. The new fund, which has managed assets of $130 million in 3 months of trading, will avoid the pitfalls of Peloton's hard-to-sell asset-backed securities and heavy leverage and stick to the global macro hedge fund style. Staying with hedge fund news, New York-based hedge fund group Steel Partners is seeking to convert its flagship fund, Steel Partners II, into a listed industrial holding company. According to the Financial Times, the move comes after the high-profile activist hedge fund group run by Warren Lichtenstein received redemption requests for 38% of the fund's assets. It will convert the $1.2 billion fund into a holding company ranging from energy, aerospace, insurance, and banking. And in more hedge fund news, Philip Falcone-led hedge fund Harbinger Capital has limited investors' withdrawals as its main fund ended the year down by 27.1%, losing all its profits. According to the Financial Times, the fund has shrunk to almost $5 billion from last summer's peak of $20 billion due to a spate of redemptions and losses. Investors wanting to redeem their funds will have 37% locked in a special vehicle by Harbinger until hard-to-trade underlying assets can be sold. Another 2% of the fund is stuck at Lehman Brothers. And in other hedge fund news, C.P. Eaton has named Alex Edwards, previously Chief Compliance Officer at Franklin Templeton in Hong Kong and London, to develop the firm's business in Australia, New Zealand, India, and Southeast Asia. According to Asian Investor, Edwards has joined a funds placement agent, C.P. Eaton Partners, in Shanghai as Vice President. Although his latest role was in London, he has 10 years of financial experience in Asia Pacific, including his native Australia. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our asset management channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.